Hello friends, I'm Pooja and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a very quick, easy and healthy breakfast sandwich. Perfect for office goers, students, bachelors and kids. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the recipe. To make sandwich, I have already boiled 2 medium-sized potatoes and I'm going to peel the skin. This is a very quick and easy potato sandwich. If you already have some boiled potatoes at hand, very easy for bachelors and college goers. Now I am going to grate these boiled potatoes. Once it is grated, keep it aside. Now for making green chutney, I have taken 3 to 4 green chilies in a jar. I am making sandwich at spicier side. If you are eating less spicier, then you can add just 1 green chili. Then add 1 inch ginger, 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Now let's add 2 tablespoons roasted chana dal. This will give thickness to chutney. If you don't have roasted chana dal, you can take roasted peanuts. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and a bowl of coriander. Now squeeze half lemon in it. Lemon will add sour taste to chutney. Add rock salt as per taste. If you don't have rock salt, you can add iodized salt. Now add half a cup of cold water and grind it to a paste. Green chutney is ready. You can see the color of chutney. This is because we have added cold water and lemon in it. Now let's transfer grated potatoes in a bowl. Add green chutney and give it a stir. At this stage, you can check salt. And if you feel you need more salt, you can add. If you feel you need more sourness, you can add a little bit of extra lemon juice. You can also make this mix ahead and store it in a fridge in an airtight container. And you can use in the morning or whenever you feel like having a filling sandwich. Kids will definitely love this. So now, let's assemble the sandwich. To make sandwich, I have taken brown bread. I am placing some potato filling over the bread and just spreading it out. You can see that the potato filling spreads very smoothly over the bread slice. Now I am going to sprinkle some finely chopped onion. Onion is rich in antioxidants and helps to reduce bad cholesterol level. Sprinkle some chaat masala over it. Now place one bread slice above the other and cover with another slice. Just slightly press it down. Apply butter on the top of the bread. If you don't have butter, you can take ghee instead of butter. When grill pan is hot enough, place sandwich and press it gently. Now apply some butter on the top of the sandwich. If you will make sandwich on low to medium heat, it will be grilled properly. Now let's flip it over. Once done, transfer it to a plate. Let me just slice the sandwich and show you. It's super crispy. Let's see one more way to make sandwich. For that, take 2 bread slices. I am placing some potato filling over the bread and just spreading it out. Sprinkle some chaat masala over it. Now place one bread slice above the other and cover with another slice. When tawa is hot enough, drizzle 1 tablespoon ghee. Once ghee is melted, sprinkle some white sesame seeds. Place sandwich and press it gently. Apply some ghee on the top of the sandwich. Sprinkle some white sesame seeds. Remember not to press after sprinkling sesame seeds, otherwise it will stick to the turner. Now let's flip it over. Once done, transfer it to a plate. Let me just slice the sandwich and show you. Today we have made 2 types of sandwiches. So don't forget to mention which one would you prefer in the comment section below. I hope you like my today's recipe. If you're new to channel, subscribe it for more such recipes. Till then, make sandwich and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below.